Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, here in Paducah, Kentucky. And look what we have here. We have an elevator. And I was right, it's an Otis.
Wait.
Yes, we heard the jingle. Go ahead. Let me go and swing over here. Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Come on. I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, let's go up to 2. Listen to the motor. Here we are at 2. No, Mr. Otis. This store opened sometime in late 2020. So, it's kind of a 1. Takes a while to level, but here we have 1. Alright, let's listen to the motor. It's a nice cab. Give it 2. So far, I think Otis is holding up pretty well. Anyway, let's go back down to 1 and end the video there. Newer Series 2, capacity of 5,000 pounds. Here we are at 1. Oh, nope. I just went upstairs. But, there you have it. Yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.